Welcome back. You are with Fade Private RSA Kid. Make sure you subscribe, you click the notification button there. Didi. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to configure everything that you have been given here on the instruction in order for you to check if everything has passed. So here I've already configured the host name. I will make an example of the second host name, which is this one. So okay, let's start to configure. We are going to start by configuring the IP address of the manager and the subnet mark of the manager. How do you do that? It's quite much simple. On this table you are given the VTL, you have to be given the IP address and the subnet mark of the 145 room, which is a switch, and the second switch you're given everything. And here on the NIC cable, NIC card, you have to be given this number and this number, which is IP address and the subnet mark of the manager. So let's just first change the subnet mark of the manager. First of all, let's change the subnet mark of the manager, which is very simple. Come here to this side. So what is the subnet mark? the IP address of 128.107.20.25. So what about the subnet mark? It's 225.255. Yes, 255. Therefore, correct. It means that you have successfully changed the manager IP address and subnet mark. So that's it. So you come to the reception. Let's change for the reception. Desktop IP configuration. Let's change this one. It's 128.107.220, 30. You are done. So let's change the subnet mark. It's 255. Therefore, you are done with this thing of manager and reception IP address and subnet mark. They are successfully changed. So let's just go to the requirement. The step one, what you're going to do is to use the console cable to connection to access in the switch. If in order for you to access this switch configuration, you have to connect to the console cable, and here you have to connect to the console cable. So let's connect. We are connecting. It means that now you have been connected successfully. This is how you connect this thing. So change the host name. The room is okay, let's just come here inside, come to the terminal. You say okay. When you reach to the terminal, let me just exit here in order for you to understand what are we doing. Let's press enter and exit. Okay, I have exited. So here you're going to say enable. When you enable, you go to your config T, which is stand for configure a terminal. So here you're going to say host name room 145. Therefore press enter. That means that your host name here will be changed. So the second thing that you have to do, like they say, use this password as the password that you are going to for all lines. How many lines do you have here? You have VTY line and you have your console line. So let's use the password to. So let's just start by line console 0. Therefore press enter. Therefore you use password as a command. Password X W6K. Therefore you press enter. After press enter, use login command and press enter. After here, just change line VTY and therefore you press password x xa w6k, therefore you press enter, you press log in, you press login, therefore you press enter. After a year, when you have done, press exit, you exit, you go back to your configuration mode. So you have to secret your password. Where do you secret your password? You secret your password here. So just type enable your secret, which secret, like is 6EBUP, therefore you press enter. So now you have secreted your password. So encrypt all the clear of the password. So just write service password, therefore dash it encryption and press enter. After a year, while you're done, configure the appropriate message for, so you're going to say banner MOTD, which is banner message of the day, and hash, let's say hash, let me say no access, therefore this is my appropriate message for the day, therefore I press enter. So configure all the addressing according to the addressing table, therefore we go back to the address table. Therefore now we are going to interface VLAN number 1, therefore we press enter. What are you going to 145, which we are going to say, IP address is 128.107.20.10, therefore space, you enter your subnet mark 255.255.255.0, therefore you press enter. In order to activate your configuration, press no shutdown, therefore you press enter. Everything is well, it's 100%. So save all your configuration. In order for you to save all your configuration, come here, press enter, let's exit here, or let's say end, we go back to our straight to our privilege mode. What are we going to say? We are going to say copy. What are you going to say? Copy running config to your startup config, therefore you press enter, so it has reached to the destination. So verify your connection between all devices. So show run. So here you can able to see everything, your password, this is your password, that is like everything. So yeah, let's exit here. So we have exited. So yeah, which password are you going to use to log in here on your line? You are going to use XAW6K and press enter. You have entered inside. So here you press enable, therefore you say 6EBUP and enter. So all your things are working. Let's try config T. Everything is working. So let's go and check for room 145 if we have worked everything very well. Let's go and check our results. You can see on our results on room and those words of manager we passed. Let's go to room 146. So let's close here. We're going to room 146. The first of all thing that we have to do, we have to configure the manager IP address and the manager subnet mark, which is very simple. We come here inside and say configuration, and let's go back here. Let's just go to IP configuration. So we have already done that. Okay, we have already done that. So let's straight go through. So we come here inside. Okay, we press enter. So config T. So host name, which host name are we going to? Is host name room, is the room 146. Therefore press enter. So our host name has been changed successfully. As you can see, our host name has been changed successfully. So what are we going to change now? You are going to use this password to all the lines. Which line are you going to change? It's line console 0. Therefore press enter. Therefore you use password as command, password command X A W 6K. Therefore you press enter. In order for you to activate your password, you say login. Let's just go line VTY 0, enter. Therefore password, which password? X A W 6A. Therefore press enter. Therefore login. Therefore after we let's exit, we say exit. So let's secret our password right here. We say enable. What are we going to enable? We enable secret, which we are going to use 6 E B U P as our password, and let's press enter. So after here, encrypt all password. Which password are we going to encrypt? We are going to say service password. So encrypt password encryption. Therefore configure the appropriate message. You know, it's banner message of the day. Therefore hash, we set the same message, no access. Therefore let's close. We have closed. Therefore we press enter. Configure addressing of all our content today. Okay, let's go. What are we going to configure? Let's go to interface. Which interface? Van 1. Therefore press enter. What are you going to configure? We are going to configure IP address. And which IP address are we going to configure? 128,147,20,15 space 255 comma 255, comma 255, comma 0. This is our subject mark. Therefore press enter. Let's activate. Shut down, exit, everything is okay. So let's go down. What are you going to save all your configuration? Let's exit. Let's end this thing. So here we are going to say copy. What are you going to copy? You are going to copy all the running configuration to your startup configuration. Therefore press enter. Let's reach to the destination. Let's verify everything. Show run. Therefore press enter. It will show everything that I have run. So let's exit. When you come here to the password, you see you have to log in with this password here that you have configured. X A W 6K. Therefore press enter. So here on this one, let's enable issue 6 A B U P. Therefore press enter. So let's check results. I guess we are done. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your packet tracer skill. So you see everything has been sorted. Please make sure you subscribe, you click the notification button there. Ding ding, I love you all.